A thoughtfully designed kitchen brings together cooking, conversation, and everyday living in one welcoming and functional space. An efficient layout keeps preparation, cooking, and cleaning comfortably connected while making every movement feel natural and easy. Well-planned cabinets, drawers, and pantry storage keep everyday essentials organized while reducing clutter across the entire kitchen. Durable countertops, quality cabinetry, and easy care finishes combine lasting performance with timeless style for everyday family life. Natural daylight and carefully placed lighting brighten work areas while creating a warm atmosphere for family and guests.
A welcoming kitchen encourages shared meals, meaningful conversations, and memorable moments that bring family and friends together every day.
Thoughtful kitchen design creates a space that is beautiful, practical, and ready to support everyday life for many years.